Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend on a daily basis using your phone, whether you're playing games, reading something on Google, or just texting with other people? I reckon most of you spend quite a bit of time on your phone every single day, and I'm asking you this because I recently came across this site here with which you can actually make money through your phone. And if that's not enough, it also works for a desktop computer or laptop as well. All of these people from all over the globe have made money with this site, and if you want to as well, then make sure you keep watching. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so a website we will be using today to make money by literally just clicking is this one right here called paidverts.com. Now, even though this may seem like your regular website that will pay you for clicking, this one is a bit different from the rest because it has a very unique point system, and you will see that soon enough. With that being said, how this site actually works, you can see right over here. You basically have a bunch of companies and websites who need advertising, and so what they would do is pay Paidverts here, and then Paidverts will give a part of that money out to the people who have clicked on those ads. It's a very simple yet effective system where both parties will be satisfied. The site that paid this platform for advertisement will get their desired traffic. Meanwhile, the people who have clicked on those ads would have made money for absolutely free with basically no work involved. And as you can see to the right here, you can even do both. So advertise and also make money yourself. With that being said, guys, something I really wanted to show you that I know you will love, you can see right down here. Not only can you make money with this site with your computer or laptop, but also with a tablet or phone, just like I promised you in that intro. And it doesn't matter if it's an Android or iOS device because this supports both of them. Something else quite important I want to go over is how you will be getting paid with this platform, and that you can see on the very bottom of the page. They unfortunately do not seem to offer PayPal, so that is a bit of a downside, but I think they more than make up for that with the sheer amount of other payment options they offer. You have GiroPay, PollPay, NetTeller, Ucash, SoFort, WebMoney, Payeer, Bitcoin, and last but definitely not least, Perfect Money. So as I said a second ago, even though they don't offer PayPal, I think that thanks to the sheer amount of other payment options they have, you will be able to get paid nevertheless. The fact that it has so many different payment options available and that it supports both iOS and Android devices, however, are far from the only good features of this site. On this page here, you can see payment proofs that prove that this is a legit website, because there are people getting paid varying amounts of money literally every single day. Obviously, we are not talking about thousands of dollars here, guys, because you do have to keep in mind that this site pays you for clicking on ads, which not only is not hard to do, but requires literally no expertise from your side, as anyone can do that. Regardless, though, as you can see, some people have made around $10 to $20 a day with this platform, and making that much money with a site like this is actually great. And in the end, you will buy something with that money, so it will help you in the end. With all of that said, though, it only gets better from there, because we can also see on this page that it's worldwide available, because the people it has paid out are literally all from different parts of the globe. So no matter where you are coming from, this site will most definitely work for you. In summary, guys, this is a fantastic website, and as far as getting paid for just clicking on ads, it's really one of the best out there. And so with that bit of info out of the way, let me show you what you need to do on this site so you can actually start making money with it. Your very first step will be to click on the register button right here so that you can create your brand new account. On the next page, you will have to enter in a unique username, your password, which you will need to retype as confirmation, and finally your email address. Once you enter all of that in, you will then choose your gender, enter in your date of birth, complete this CAPTCHA by selecting a particular icon requested of you, tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally click on Open Account just below. Once you enter in all of the data to create your account, you will now need to head over to your Gmail to confirm that the email you entered is actually yours to finish this process. To do that, you will have to open up a message from Paidverts that will look something like this, and you will just need to click on this link here so that you can start using this site to make money. Once you do both create your account and confirm your email address, this is how Paidverts will look when you log in. On the dashboard here, you'll be able to track your earnings, which of course, for the time being, will be $0, but that will change real soon. Anyways, something I really do love about this platform, guys, is that they do offer a few different methods for you to make money. You can make money by clicking on ads, you can make money by completing various offers, and although these take a bit more time and effort to complete, they actually pay quite a lot, and you can expect like $10 to $20 per single offer. So if you're willing to invest a tiny bit more time into this, completing these is not a bad idea. The last two things they offer for you to get paid are PTC walls, which will basically pay you for going to a particular website and staying there for like 5 to 15 seconds at most. And you can also play games as well. And this I think many of you will like because playing games is of course fun and will pay you more than clicking on those ads as a bonus. Anyways, since this is a video to show you how to make money by clicking on those ads, let me show you what you will need to do to get paid. You want to click on paid ads here first. Then on the next page, you will just have to scroll down a bit and you will come across these ads here. To get paid, just click on View Activation Ad, and that's really all there is to it. In case you run out of these, then I highly recommend you check on the bonus ads that they have just above these. They can come in very handy if you run out of ads to click on. Another way you can make money by clicking on ads is ClickGrid. The way this works is as follows. You will click on any box in this image here, and doing so will take you to another page where you will see an ad. And when you return to Paidverts, you will get paid, as simple as that. With all of that said, guys, if you don't want to play the games and complete the offers, then I would highly recommend you give PTC walls a try. It's not that different from viewing those ads because you will just be viewing other websites. That's literally the only difference. All I have to do to get paid, as you can see, is click on any one of these. Wait a few seconds, then come back to Paidverts and I will get paid. As easy as that. For those of you willing to maximize your results and make as much money as possible, I would recommend you make money through all of these methods. Don't just focus on ClickGrid, don't just focus on playing games, but instead try out all of these in order to make as much money as you can. And do keep in mind that these won't make you rich. They pay quite decently, but it's not a crazy amount of money, that's for sure. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon.